Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching from browser website. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the Roblox and select open file location. Right click on the Roblox player beta and select properties. You just need to copy this location. Right click and copy it. After that just close tab here and go to search menu and type registry. Click on open the registry editor and select yes. And now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. And on the right side, you just need to double click on the default. In default, you just need to backspace it everything. And just need to paste the path we copied. First starting, you just need to add a quotation, double quotation like this. And at the end, you just need to copy and paste this text guys. Check my video description for this text. Just to copy and paste in the end like this. And now it has been all set up and click on OK and just close tab here. And now you can able to launch Roblox through the browser without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.